Hello everyone, welcome to the TinyHoopers channel. TinyHoopers channel with a stream very early today. It's 4:30 here in Tokyo. 4:30 in the morning, 4:30 of the morning. So my voice is a little bit... I have to be careful, I can't speak too loud. And I guess I'm a bit tired as well. So I'll do my best. So for today's stream, it's gonna be almost straightforward, maybe not straightforward actually, but we will test multiplayer, shoot around multiplayer. So I did make a test, I think a couple of months ago, maybe less, but we faced some issues. Some device could not connect to the multiplayer. So I changed the server and I made another one. The first one was a server that already existed, and hopefully now we're gonna make I'm gonna make a test with 2 or 3 members from the Discord community who actually are a member of the internal team, members who actually test the games for me. So they're gonna help me this morning for me to test the multiplayer. So you just need to give me a couple of seconds so that I make sure everything's fine. If you want, you can just tell us to do the things you want on the live stream. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna check Discord, otherwise it's gonna confuse me. I'm just gonna maybe just a few messages. So when will the game be on the store? So it's supposed to be released on the store in 2 weeks, April 15. And I can tell you right now, I'm late. I'm running late. So it's gonna be fun. Anyway, so I have 3 people ready to test. That's cool. The server, so I can't show you the server and the logs and everything because there's some IP address and I don't want to share that. But it's running. What I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna start the game on my side. I'm gonna even have 2 instances. So I'm gonna address now the 3 testers from the team and ask them if the app is installed on their phone. And you can answer me on the chat on YouTube or on Discord, whichever is fine. So please confirm. There's one member who already have installed the app. I just need the confirmation from the 2 other one. Should I try with that? That's gonna be fun if it's not working. So I should do that like this. Alright. Oh yeah, right. So I have one tester who's actually right now just opened the app and he's facing something really fun. It's like, as you can see, it's not gonna happen with my character, but Poppy, so the main NPC, can actually steal your ball. Sorry, but it's a bug actually. But yeah. Hello everyone on the chat. Thanks for joining. Hopefully you're gonna be a witness of multiplayer working without any bug. Nobody can dream, right? So, anybody's ready? So okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a room anyway. So make sure it works at least. If it doesn't work, are you friends in the same room? No, they're not in the same room. I'm gonna create a room right there. I'm gonna call it, I don't know, TinyHoopers. Alright. No, I'm not gonna do that. Doesn't matter. TH1. Alright, let's create one. So I did create the room, so I can see the logs on the server that I'm not sharing with you right now. Can't share that with you. So I just need now to wait and see if there's at least three members that can connect. So feel free to connect anytime you want on th_1. And just to make sure, because people may not look at the stream actually, so oh no, okay, it's great. It does work. Oh, that's great. That's great. It works. So, are you is Bit on the stream? No, I don't think so. Are you? Asking. Oh, two people. Great. I like it. So the new server works. Oh, and crash. Alright. Okay. Okay, got it. So you were on the session, so what's cool actually is like it did work on your phone and it was not on the previous server, right? But it just crashed, unfortunately. Goal status with value of type int on a base object of type null, prepare shooting. What the hell is that? Operate, let me check. So it crashed, but not because of the server. It crashed because the code is buggy. That's all. Kilaludin. Yeah. Kilaludin, I think you joined a stream a long time ago. Remind me something. You're on Wi-Fi. Ah, okay. But it was not working on Wi-Fi before, right? Okay, there's no ball, so that's why. Prepare shooting. Oh, okay, probably an issue with synchronization. Probably. Shooting motion. Can't prepare that. Okay, so I'm gonna do. I will have to. Okay, so are you still in the room? No. Oh, Kilaludin, it's like. Okay, so that's you. Okay, got it. Alright. So. Kilaludin, you were on mobile data, so it's cool. So it was working. So that's great. That's great. That's a good thing. So. I think, are you still connected? I don't think so. Because I crashed and I was the host. Okay. So I will start again. I will create a new room. And unfortunately, since the version you have is not it's not perfect yet, you will have to restart the app Yeah, client timeout. Okay, great. So the server didn't crash at all. It's handling everything really perfectly. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I have my own server now, and it does work. So I don't know about latency, for example. Gaxon is not connected. You're in the stream, right? Hmm. Play with friends, yes. I'm very sleepy. I'm really slow. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new one. So just one thing. So when you connect, yeah. So you need to restart. You need to restart because once after you get kicked out a multiplayer session, there's a bug with the talk button, so I need to fix that. Shouldn't be complicated, but right now you need to restart the game, unfortunately. So one thing, when you're gonna connect on the new room, please don't shoot. Okay? I want to check something. You can run around if you want, but alright. Alright. So that part is fine. I'm just gonna... So Gaxon's probably not gonna join. Yeah, you are. Yeah, great. Okay, cool. Don't shoot, please. Not yet. It sucks, but... So you're still on mobile data, right? The only thing that kind of sucks is that we can't check the latency, right? So I don't. So that's the part, and because there's a delay with the stream. Okay, mobile data reinstalling. Okay, alright. You have to reinstall. Wow. I need to do something with the logging part. Right. But I can't test the synchro, so that's part of it's an issue, right? Yeah, well. Yeah. Can't test that. But it's working, it's moving. It doesn't look like well, it's normal. I think maybe it's normal that on my side everything is smooth. Really, is it? Yeah, not necessary actually. So, okay. Alright. But it's cool. So, the good thing is that Bit could connect and join the room. So, that's great progress. Who is player? Is that you, Bit? Let's not try it on mobile data. We'll do that after a few additional tests. But after... of course he did. So who is player? Oh, let me guess. It's Gaxon, right? He's not listening to instruction. He's shooting everywhere. Okay. let's still not shoot. We're just gonna wait for bit. I think it's bit we're waiting for. I think. Okay, now we have bit. Okay, great. So I can see some. It's not that smooth. I'm smooth. Yeah, actually, everything's fine. Any issue with the latency? It's true. Yeah, okay. It was you. Yeah, so what I was, for some reason my username wasn't updated. Yeah, something I need to, and did you log in? Because if you don't, it may, nah, that's weird. And I think I fixed it for you actually last time. Okay, anyway, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna shoot first, okay? So the ball is bouncing, I'm gonna get it back. So I got the ball back, right? So, okay, everybody start to doing like, nobody's listening to instruction. Killer reading is shooting anyway, okay, alright, well you shoot, it worked. So it's your turn, Gaxon. You can shoot from wherever you want. Okay, you use your original account, you got it. So feel free to shoot now. Or whoever actually, Bit for example, can shoot. There's too much latency. What's the latency for that? Oh. Okay, alright. I guess I need to do that by example. Let's shoot. Okay, great. Alright. So you see, there's an issue. There's 5 balls. It's because Kilarudin, on my side, I can see that you have a ball, but yeah, now you need to get it back, right? Yeah, I knew it. Okay, so there's some issue of synchronization. So can you shoot again, Kilarudin? Green Giants. Ah, it crashed. Okay. Okay. So the crash I shot like 3 minutes before it appeared on the stream. 3 minutes before? Really? Yeah, but I don't know what's the latency on the stream. The latency on the stream is pretty high actually, seems like. Yeah. Yeah, there's a huge latency on the stream. So it's maybe not 3 minutes, but okay. So unfortunately, it's kind of before it when I shot, I couldn't get the ball back. Yeah, and then it crashed. Yeah, it crashed because it crashed on my side actually. As a host, my version crashed. So that's the issue. And it crashed it's not related to multiplayer actually. It's related to something else. I think I know what it is. And it's probably because yeah, there were like some kind of like maybe a little bit related to multiplayer, but it's because of the synchronization of the ball. Somehow you shoot it. So the ball was on the ground, you took it, but it was on my side. You tried to take it, but you didn't have it. But on my side, as a host, I saw that you had the ball in your hand, and then me as a host, I think somehow it got confused. on the state of the ball. But I think I can probably fix that. The biggest issue for me was okay, why nobody could, not everybody could connect to the room consistently. That was the big issue. That was the big issue on the previous version. So let's do something. So Bit, try to connect on mobile data, please. And we'll try like this, okay? I'll create another room. Oh. So let's start another one. Yeah, there's a really big latency. I asked you to connect to mobile data like probably 1 minute ago, something like that. Okay, well, we'll deal with that. It's not easy for testing. It's not ideal. So I know that other rooms are not getting deleted, just didn't implement it yet. Yeah, I know that one. The reflection issue, I know it. Hello, Bardun guy. ID hot streak, it activates when you hit 2 or more shots of the same type. Finish shot, and the more shots you make, make in a row. Oh, everybody's connected already, cool. That make it easier. Yeah, I'll probably add some kind of, or probably like a fever mode or something. Okay, so Bit, you're connected on mobile, right? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. So I can't believe my multiplayer card. Yeah, so that's the one you're talking about, right? About the reflection. Yeah, I know. I tried to put that under the rug, but I know there is this issue. It's not an issue. I know there's the bug, but believe me when I'm telling you this. That's the list of my problem. I'm on mobile data now, and I'm on the call, so everything is good now. Finally, yeah, that's cool. So the server, what's cool, is like I developed it in C++. I started with C and then C++. So it's not to maintain. I don't know if it's gonna be easy to maintain. We'll see. But it's really small. Really small. It's very efficient. And the thing is, because it's mine, I can control everything. I understand what's going on. I can track pretty much everything. So from now on, I just need to improve that server. I'm really happy that it works now. Really. So I'm gonna dunk. Just tell me if you see me dunk. On your version, right? Not on the stream, obviously. Just let me know if you saw me dunk. I did it once. If anybody else can dunk, go ahead as well. And now that's cool because I can see Bit. Your network is not that great because you're kind of like you probably see that on the stream, but you're kind of laggy. Yeah. And now you don't have the ball. Yeah. So it's my version's gonna crash. I knew it. I knew it. it crashed. So I think I kind of figured out the pattern. Yep. Synchronization issue. So when there's some kind of synchronization for whatever reason, then on my side, because of that, then being the host, I control actually I'm acting as a server actually, right? And I believe that, for example, for whatever reason, that one of the player has the ball or the opposite, but the other player actually don't have it or the opposite. So it's just the inverted, right? And because of that, sometimes I guess when it happens, then on my side, it's trying to especially when you try to shoot. On my version, he believes that you don't have the ball, and he's trying to use it, but he's trying to activate the shooting, but he can't actually. That's the issue. Okay, so I guess the question is like how I can fix the synchronization issue, right? That's something I should do right now live. No idea. But you guys, you're not available tomorrow, right? I think it's morning for me, but it's late night. So feel free to let me know. But in any case, it's not. I don't think it's something I can figure out right away. I probably need to spend some time anyway. But it works perfectly. So one quick question, I guess, is like, was it like laggy on your side, guys? Like, I know that on my side, bit was jittery, because you were on mobile. Even if Killerudin was on mobile as well, but I guess his connection was better. But what about you, Bit? Same for you, Gaxon, actually. I think on my side, your moves were not laggy. It was pretty smooth. So, but let me know. Good. So I didn't expect. Well, not like I didn't expect, but I guess for me it went pretty smoothly, except for the crash. But that was not the biggest issue. So that part is cool. It was quite smooth. Okay, cool. Very cool, actually. Very cool. All players were laggy during movement. Okay, so it was laggy for you during movements, but so when you were on Wi-Fi or mobile or both, right? So if it was both, then okay, then there's something else I want to test, maybe with all of you. Maybe I should start creating the role already. For Gaxon it was smooth. Yeah, that's cool. So by the way, Gaxon, if you hear me, so I'm using now I'm using anti-gravity, like Gemini, for TinyHoopers. I have no choice. It's too helpful. So I remember you asked me the question a long time ago, not so long ago, but and I told you I'm not. Yeah, it's a good tool. I'm using it for the project, but I was not sure if I would use it for TinyHoopers yet, because I did a lot of the coding actually, right? But now it's really helpful, so I'm using it now for TinyHoopers. I was using it for the project, but for TinyHoopers I'm using it. I'm doing a lot of code review. Still, I have to. Okay, got it. So if you're still available, if you don't mind, I just give me one sec. What the hell do I want? Yeah. So I want to try some one last thing, and then everybody is free to go. Once we film, okay, I see. So if possible, I'm gonna create a new room, okay? And I want because for Gaxon it was really fast, so I want Gaxon to join last, okay? So I will let you know, Gaxon, when you can join. And that's the last test, and then everybody's free to go. And probably me as well, I will go to sleep. Okay, I'm connected. So Gaxon, don't connect yet, please. So Bit, you can connect, just if you can, quickly. I want to try something. And Kilarudin, if you're still there, you can connect as well. Okay, great. And by the way, Kilarudin, is everything smooth for you? Yeah, but I think Bit need to reinstall every time, right? Yeah, I need to change that. I have a second instance here, so I can try and connect as well, right? I will wait. Okay, good. So the question for you, so don't join yet, please, Gaxon. The question for you, Bit, is how things, like smooth, not smooth? And please move a bit, just I want to see. If on my side at least, if you're jittery or not. Everything is smooth, yes. Okay, so for Kilodin, everything is smooth. How about, what about you, Bit? Because something I noticed when I was doing my test alone, it felt like when Gaxon is not here, it's smooth, but sometimes I see him laggy. I see. Okay. So, yes, he's smooth. Okay. So Gaxon, can you connect now, please? Because something I noticed, so everything is smooth when it's 3 people, but when it's more, then that starts to be complicated. So it means that now I need to start to optimize maybe the server or the code, the client code actually. So we're just waiting for Gaxon, and then as soon as he connects, we check. Okay, great. So the question will be for everyone. So everybody is smooth for me right now, okay? So how's things for everyone else? Everything is smooth for me. No problem, no issue, nothing. And please don't shoot. Please don't shoot. I know it's a basketball game, we're supposed to shoot, but please don't. We can shoot at once we confirm everything. Still kind of smooth. Okay, kind of smooth. All right. Okay. I'm okay with that one. Same smooth. And what about you, Gaxon? It's really smooth for me as well. So which is good. So it means like just like when you're on mobile data, which was the case for both of you, or Kilarudin and Bit, then yeah, obviously you may have some bad quality. So, but now for me it's great. Everything is smooth for me. Maybe for Gaxon, sometimes it's a little bit laggy actually. Now it's okay. but I need to add more logging actually. To monitoring for the multiplayer, like add data tracking, ping maybe. That's probably something I need to add on the client side. The connection quality, obviously. So all the stuff I need to do, I need to do myself. Yeah, that's okay. So what's the verdict, Gaxon? Everything's great for you? You're not too laggy actually. It's not perfect on my side for when I see you, but so maybe I should ask you. I don't know if you're connected on the. Yes, I see only him. Sometimes like it's just, but yes, and it's just a little bit actually. Okay, but except beside that, everything's clean. Ah yeah, but I think he's using this one. Okay, so everybody can shoot now. That's the end of the test. So you can shoot and do whatever you want. And if it crash, nobody cares. And dunk also. Please have a dunk. Do whatever you want. Right? Everything is smooth? Okay, great. Great. So I think, yeah, well, if you're on mobile, sometimes it may be sometimes a little bit laggy, depending on the quality. What next before we leave? Ah, too late. All makes before you. We leave. Okay. Yeah. Well, so that's my that's the homework I have for today after some sleep. It's cool. So if some of you are still there, then I say we're gonna do when Gaxon shoot it crashed. Yeah, it's always the Gaxon's fault actually. Always his fault. He's laggy, he's making everybody crash. Come on. Yeah. But I think it's not. It's just not him. It's just it happened when you did as well, Kila did. So it's a shooting issue with synchronization, stuff like that. Okay. All right. All right. Everybody. Before we crash before. So. I said this stream is gonna be about testing, but I guess it's already over because now I need to work a little bit more on it. And we didn't have everything worked pretty much well beside the crash. So anything else we should test in your opinion? I don't think so, but I don't think so. But the server is robust. The server didn't crash. It's showing me all the logs. Actually I can show you that, but even if it's not really relevant. But, oh no, I can't actually. No, I'm not gonna do that. Great. I show it. Okay, I can do that. This is IP address and stuff. Okay. So the stream was really short. So someone else creating the code. I can do it if you want. Sure. If you want to. But if we to test, I mean, yeah, sure, we can do that. It doesn't change anything for me anyway. So. But yeah, okay, you're right actually. So do it. Create a court. Do it. I'll join it. I call it, it's 45, right? It's true that so far it's me who is doing it, but it would be interesting to see if it crashes actually. It should crash, but so which room will it be? 5, I guess. Yeah, right. And I have to add a refresh button here. Otherwise, it's not well. The UI, it's not great. I need to change that. I need to add a refresh button wherever. Great. 5. Thank you. Alright. It works perfectly. So, compared to our like 1 month, 2 months ago, when we made the test, there's like no issue at all for joining a room, whoever, for creating a room, joining a room, or whatever. No issue at all. And everything is pretty smooth. So I don't know for you guys, but for me, like, creating a room is fast, and joining the room is really fast as well. It's not like taking too much time. So that part is really cool. I'm happy I have my own server. It's cool. My own code for Godot. I may be able to do something with it once it's gonna be stable and clean and everything. Maybe I can provide it actually. Why not? Why not? And there is like some great. Let's shoot everybody. Let's see if it crashed. What happened? Okay. No. Oh no, you have the ball actually. Yeah. Cool. Because sometimes it happens that because I'm launching the game through the Godot editor with my dev environment, and it's easier to crash, right? And sometimes on the client app, it's kind of silent. It's crashing, but it's silent. Yes, it is fast. Finally, I do not spawn invisible. Yeah, that's really cool. So you see, I knew it. It seems like... So... Ah no, it crashed actually. I just crashed. And the same... So I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try and launch it on my phone actually. Okay. Let's see. All the balls are invisible, yeah. Of course. Synchronization issue everywhere. So please just create another room again, like TH6. I'll join as soon as I install the apps on my phone. I'm very happy, very happy. Yeah, I'm not surprised. It's supposed to. Of course, it crashed. So it crashed for you a bit because. Okay, all right. So it means it's the same for me. So it crashed because of the issue I mentioned. So what happened to me happened to you now. That's what it is. So it means it's not gonna be a silent crash. It's gonna crash anyway. But let's try again. I wanna try. In any case, whatever happened, it's a bug I need to fix. So. That's cool. That's very cool. Can't believe I have a working server in C++. In C++. I can tell you it was not fun. It's been a long time since I made a project on C++. So TX6, okay, thanks. Oh. Oh yeah, but the problem is like you're not gonna see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna launch a QuickTime. I guess it's QuickTime. I think it's QuickTime. What can I do? New movie recording, new screen recording, and then I can. No, that's not what I want. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Made a terrible mistake. I hope I didn't destroy the stream. Made a terrible mistake. Let me check something. I kinda like messed up my stream. How can I do that? I messed up my stream. Okay, cool. It's bad. Just gonna double check something. The ball doesn't make sound when we walk with it. Oh, really? Okay, so I need to check that. I need to check that. How does it work if I want to? If I want to mirror my phone. Your computer is on your phone. Your iPhone is not on mirroring. Okay, so I just need to do that. Good. Okay, cool. I'm definitely not gonna show you that. Oh, actually, no, I don't care because I just need to do this. Alright. So, you should see, so that's my phone. You see so too many stuff already? Okay, cool. So, I'm testing with my phone instead of play with friends. Can I zoom? No. Oh. Alright. Cool. Okay, so that's all my fault. Everyone, like, just feel free to shoot. We'll see if it's gonna make a difference if we're just 3 of us. But I can also let me try also to start a version from there. So we should be 5. And we should have 3 Papa Noel. Okay. Ah, gosh. Going too far. Oh, no, it has nothing to do with that, it's just the shot. Okay. Alright. I can try. So, if you still have time, I can try something actually. If you have time, I can build another version and share it with you. So I can try a quick. It's not a final fix, but yes, testing time. Okay. Ah, okay, okay. No. So I'm gonna prepare a quick version right now. So I'm doing it's a quick fix. Yeah, oh yeah. So I didn't create it, so I quit the game. Yeah. So I'm preparing the version. So you can keep making the test on your side. It should take me like 5 minutes maybe. So it should at least it should prevent the crash. Yeah. Okay, so I don't care about that for now. Okay, so Android will be fine. I'm just gonna create the OS version as well. Alright, where is it? There you are. So I'm not showing you. So right now I'm uploading a new version for the internal testing. I'm not showing it to you because obviously I don't want you to see a private environment on Google. There's a lot of secrets in. Yeah, for sure. So I need to figure out how to sync the ball anyway. Most definitely. I can't drop another one. It's already done. Cool. So Google, it's on its way. iOS. I need to start. Okay, project archive. export. And there we go. So what does it leave me? 5? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Okay, so now I just need to drop this one over there. Sorry, you're not seeing anything what I'm doing, but okay. I'm just uploading the iOS version right now. Does take time. Wow. What the hell is that? Successfully updated release with new device. Blah 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 blah. Okay. What's going on with this one? Okay. Ah, because it's the same version? I don't know if it's... I'm waiting to send a record on Discord. Okay. Hey, someone will recognize prefab. Wow, thank you very much. I'm gonna call you K-Mac. I love your Uber prefab, looks like Gordon Freeman. Yeah. That's something. Isn't it messy? Look at this. So that's one part of it. Then you have the skeleton over here. With all the animation. Gordon Freeman with black magic hat. Yeah, good. Tired, to be honest. It's 5:30 in the morning right now. I'm a bit tired, but multiplayer is working. There's a crash, but the issue I was facing before, it's not there anymore, so that's cool. With my own server, my own multiplayer source code, which is good, very good, because then I control everything now. I know everything's going on. I'm not a multiplayer guy, but I learned a few things. I have an issue, so I just uploaded a new version, but it's not working. Not sure. New test. So, did you receive a new iOS version a bit? Oh, you remember? Yeah. That was not correct. Yeah. Yeah. And I used to be, long time ago, I used to be the kind of guy who want to use his own services and everything. Own services, sorry, his own system, own engine and everything. But then I switched and I decided to use existing stuff on the shelf. And just on few occasions only, when I'm not satisfied, or when you're using something that is in a closed environment, then no thanks. I'm trying open source. If it's not something that looks like being maintained long enough, then I'm just giving up and I'm doing my own thing. Hopefully it's not it's not all the time, because I'm not gonna be able to do everything. When it's not working, it gives a lot of anxiety. Yeah, right. Because you're using something, it takes a lot of time actually to use something that exists, to test it, figuring out how it works well. And then when you do and you feel like you're happy, then at some point, then suddenly it's like, okay, it's not working anymore. So it's not like it's not working anymore, but there's some other issue with some specific case or stuff like that. Yeah, I don't want this stress. I'm not interested. Okay, so yeah, agreed. Yeah, if you don't have the full control, there's no. So, and multiplayer, well, it's tough, but if you spend time and you use some AI as well to help you on some stuff that you don't know, because now you have those kind of tools as well. So why not using it? As long as you still understand what you're doing, what's going on, then you can always review the code, right? And you actually, and that's the idea. Obviously, it's like you actually you decide the architecture. That's the most important. So when you have the experience, you understand that, then it's very important. You need to decide what architecture you want. So, and then it's okay to just delegate stuff that's a little bit boring to do. Not boring, but that may take time. And your value is not in just crashing code. Your value is to make something like a system that works well, stable, with a good architecture that you can maintain actually on long term. So when you're back, Kilarudin, I think you have a new version. Yeah, that works a lot. Prototyping and you just clean up everything. Yeah, that works pretty well actually. It's just the iOS version. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so beta, are you still here? And if yes, did you receive an email from Firebase? Otherwise, I can try and send a new one, but it is. It is. I don't know what happened to my preview, but what the hell? I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try this and go back here. It doesn't change anything. Okay. Or maybe I can try this. This? No. Filter. No idea. I'm gonna leave it for now. I don't want to spend time on that. If you can, Kilarudin, can you, after you install the new Android version, can you create a new room? Is it better to do that like this? It doesn't. Does it matter? It doesn't. Forget about what I said. I'm gonna create a new room. I'm gonna create the TH7. It's not like this. Play with friends. Yes. So my brain now is. My brain is getting weird now. I'm really slow. I want to create this. TH7. Alright, so that's one is done, like this. Can't believe I have my own multiplayer, C++ multiplayer server. That's very stable. So let's shoot Kilarudin, because if you have the new version, then it shouldn't crash. Maybe we will see something weird, but it shouldn't crash. Yes, same. No version as now. No email. Okay, alright. I'm gonna send you another one. So that's why I should have let you create the room already, because now I need to quit, and then you're gonna get kicked out of the room. So I apologize. Alright. So you can create the room in advance, Kilarudi. Your deadline is getting closer. You don't have time to listen my insult like your last stream. No. So you see, I don't read. I answering you really quickly, but not much. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. My deadline is really cool. Yeah. It's stressing me even more. What the hell I want to do again? Yeah, create a new one. I'm gonna do. I think I need to dump the version. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Cool. What's that again? iOS. Yeah, I need to dump this one as well. Still no email. Yeah, I will do it now. I have to go. We are happy that my issue is over. Thanks for your help a bit. Really, I really appreciate it. So yeah, the most important is like your it's fixed for you now. So now I just need to not figure out, but to make things work. See you tomorrow if you need more tests. Okay, I'll let you know. Thanks again. -8, okay. Then I'm joining Kilarudin. Let's keep making some tests. I can have 2 instances, so let's do this. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna do that on my phone as well, so that we have a ton of players. I will join really quickly. Thanks again, Bit. Alright, so I have my phone ready, and if necessary I can have 2 instances. Okay. I'm joining with my phone now. I won't play with my phone. It's better if I play with my screen. I'm gonna join with those 2 instances over here. I'm gonna put this one small. Let's see if it crashes. If it crashes, that's fine. I'll just take more time to fix the issue. It should behave weirdly, I think. Crash not necessary, but so Black Shark, the character Black Shark is not gonna move. It's normal because it's on my foot, and I'm not just moving it right now, but I'm not gonna do. But it's not well synced actually. There's a big, there's kind of huge latency, so that part is not great. It's not seconds, but it's kind of long enough. Alright. Oh yeah, it's moving both characters. Okay, I can do that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot. So yeah, if you could keep shooting, kill everything. Let's see what happens. Accreditation. Wow. I see you twice, yeah. Yeah, it's normal. It's the same ID. I don't prevent two users with the same ID to connect actually. So I clean that up later. It's not difficult to not to fix, but just to implement. I just didn't implement anything. It crashed actually. It crashed somewhere else. Yeah. Enter state. Bubble speech, emoticon, yeah, that's kind of weird. It shouldn't crash over there. Shooting jump. Oh no, it's shooting jump actually. Okay, I understand. Enter state. Oh, yeah, it's the same issue. Yeah. It crashed for me. So I need to have a real fix for the ball. So what I did is not that. Alright. That's it for me, killer reading. I think I almost say, yeah, I kind of say I fell from the roof, yeah. It's probably mine when I crashed. I think so. But it's pretty fair to say that the test is a success based on the compared to the previous server. Now it's time to clean up multiplayer, pretty much, and to add a ton of logs, improve a ton of things. So hopefully it's not gonna take me too much time, because I still have a lot of stuff to do on the game. Honestly, I don't think I will release the game anyway on 15, like I promised. But the content, there won't be everything that I said it will be in the game. So there's a choice to be made. So whether I postpone the release, because not everything that I say will be in the game will be there, or I just release it like I say it will be, but I'm not gonna put everything. I think at this stage, I think it's just better to release it, as long as the game is clean. Yeah, thanks. Thank you very much. But thanks for your test again. I really appreciate the time. So yeah, it's time to disconnect. Thanks again. Thanks everyone. Well, nobody's there anymore. But yeah, time to go. Bye bye.